Good morning! Happy Wednesday! Sila kayong adlaw guys, oh. Pero, kutubra sa kuan guys. Ito, 10. 10 to 5. Kaya ang weather, 10 to pa, taas to 5. Weather kay uwan daw guys. May lagi usap guys. Na uwan daw, 50% uwan. Sa 10 to 11. 10 to 5 o'clock.
This feels crazy,
It's raining.
This feels crazy, but it's already nearly the end of the year.
Yeah. Quick.
It feels
Very
too quick. Term 1, it feels slow, but the other terms, too fast.
Yun lang guys, update namin
Good day.
this morning. Bye-bye you.
Bye.
Don't forget to follow, like,
Subscribe.
don't
like,
forget to
and share.
subscribe, like, and
Bye-bye.
share. Bye. Thank you for watching.